Looking for a fresh and zesty salsa to spice up your chips, fish tacos, or to enjoy as a side salad? Look no further than this mango cucumber salsa. To make this delicious salsa, you'll need Once you have all of the ingredients, simply combine the mango, cucumber, onion, and cilantro in a bowl and squeeze the juice of half a lemon and one lime. Season with salt and pepper. Mix well and don't forget to give it a taste. Adjust salt and pepper if needed. This salsa is perfect for dipping with chips or as a topping for fish tacos or simply enjoy it as a side salad. The sweet and tangy flavors complement the savory flavors of this fish taco, making for a delicious combination. So the next time you want to add a pop of flavor to your meal, try this mango cucumber salsa. Your taste buds will thank you. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments.